Hello, I'm Jim Kelly with Saddle Point Systems, and I'm here to show you how to fold heavy cardstock. This is a 111-pound cover stock, glossy coated, and we're going to fold it. You could do this with a knife folder, but I'm going to show you a way that's much less expensive. We're going to use a creaser and just a regular folder. So this is the creaser I'm going to use. This is the Aerocut Velocity, which is a spectacular machine for not only creasing, but cutting, slitting, perfing, everything else. But we do have less expensive creasers on our website. So here we go. I will just go and call up the job. So I'm going to go to Flex Mode, Read, and we'll start out with a 13 by 19 Z fold. And I'm going to say OK to that, OK to that, and 4 sheets, and that's going to be fine. I'm also going to crease laminated 13 by 19 sheets, which makes that cover stock even heavier. So I just put them in there, hit set, hit start. It's going to air feed them in, crease them, and send them out the back. So I'll show you, this is a very nice crease. And it's right on the money. There are my sheets. And there's the laminated ones also creased. Again, just a spectacularly good crease in that lamination. So now I'm going to take them over to a folder, and we're going to fold them. This is the MBM 352F friction folder. It's a very nice machine for doing heavy stock like this. It's a manual setup machine. It's not automatic, so you have to set the trays to where you want them to fold. But there's guides on the side on how you do that. There's a lot of adjustments on this machine, skew adjustments, paper weight adjustments, so you can get it just where you want it for doing these folds. So that's it. Load up the paper, turn it on. And here's what we get. So you can see it's just a really clean crease, no cracking. And it's also very accurate. I don't know whether you can see that, but it's a perfect Z fold. And here's the laminated samples. Again, just perfect. And also laminated, so that's heavy cardstock that's been laminated. Just to show you what happens if you don't crease them, here's a sheet that I'll put through that is not pre-creased. It still folds it, but look how bad that cracking is. And the other problem with this is it did not do a good job of doing the Z fold because it didn't have the creases to go by. So it absolutely needs to be creased. And now to do a different fold, I'll show you how you set this machine up. You just change the positions of the fold plates. This is going to be a 13 by 19 gate fold. And I'll change this one down here to another position. And get my gatefold sheets. They've been pre-creased to a gatefold. So you notice that's just a perfect gatefold. And no cracking because it was pre-creased. So that's how to fold heavy cardstock. Thanks for your time.